Are they really reflective? I cannot see, but I don't feel like I need to.
What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and today I'm gonna give you the goods to the best slumber party ever. But I have a special guest. Rachel! You've been on this channel before.
You pranked yourself.
So I want to be extra today, and I'm gonna give you a Goldie Squad welcome!
Oh, wow. This is all for me.
All for you.
Do you do this every time somebody comes over?
You're special. You also welcomed yourself.
You should celebrate yourself everywhere you go.
That's true.
Let's slumber.
Woman power. Let's slumber. Oh my God, you like put it through the holes.
Yeah. That's how you YouTube.
Correct.
So far, it's going great.
And for our first hack, we have these LED emoji balloons. Because literally, you can express any of your emotions with emojis.
Oh.
And this one is my favorite.
It's so
And
weighted.
also,
Because, you know,
anger is weighted.
it really weighs you down. Like, ah! If you could give a sound to each emoji, what would they be?
Okay, so this would be like, why'd you leave me, Diane?
This one is why do you leave me, Diane? How mad it is.
Or it's like, ah.
That's a good mad.
No, like, oh my God, the peanut butter kid.
Ah.
Now this one's like,
Yeah. This one's like, look at all those chickens.
why are you like a Viner now?
Am I? Thank you. Vine 2.0. Sorry, you're making me mad.
I put too many diodes in him. And then this one is like, Zahab. That's his. And then this one
Yeah.
is like, ah, because like he's in love.
Okay, the nerd one is like, did I do that?
With the voice cracks and everything.
Thank you.
For this DIY, you'll need some yellow balloons, electrical tape, a cell battery, an LED diode, and a piece of vinyl. First, cut your emoji expressions and trace them onto the vinyl. Then insert your LED into the main part of the balloon. Blow it up. Attach your vinyl to the balloon. Who needs the text emojis now? This is how you use these at slumber parties, okay? So basically, you turn off the lights, it's dark, and then you whip out these guys, and everyone's like, dang, those are cool balloons.
Oh, wow.
And you're like, yeah, subscribe. then, like, you pass them around.
Cool.
And whenever like it comes to your turn, you pick what balloon that embodies your tea story the best. A tea story is like, it's basically just like spilling the beans.
Yeah.
Right? Once you like pick your balloon, then you just like tell
Shake
your
it.
story while you shake the balloon. Sometimes I talk to my hacks when I'm lonely. I name them all.
I'm very strong. That's my tea.
You need this balloon. Okay, I gave her the wrong balloon. Okay.
Wow, thank you so much. I feel a lot better now. I'm sorry I broke
Now
your
all-
balloon. Now that I know you name all of your hacks, I like killed your friend.
And for our next hack, we have unicorn sleeping mask. I'm so excited. You're
Where-
still blind.
I
mean,
feel
you're
it.
technically blind without
I know,
your
I'm like,
glasses.
hey, do you ever watch the Home Shopping Network? It's actually very cool. Are you looking
Oh my
at me?
gosh, like, yeah, you're like actually looking at me.
Okay,
It
great,
worked.
yeah.
And also your eyes are really scary.
I-
If like your mom comes to wake you up or like you sleepwalk.
Hi, Mom. I love you.
To getting
hat.
stuck in my hair.
Oh,
It's just
I'm trying to help you, but I can't, just know that I can't.
Yep, okay. Yep.
How's this?
You're just patting me.
I know.
It's okay.
But is it comforting?
But like now my hair is like in the ribbon. Okay, I can't see anything.
Me neither.
Do we look terrifying yet? Where's his hat?
Oh, ow, sorry.
We're like blind
Hold on.
mice.
Ha!
Hat? Find hat.
Oh,
I don't know where that went. Hopefully
do you just throw his glasses?
He's now, I don't know how this looks.
What?
That doesn't look half bad.
Am I holding something? Oh,
No, that's...
I got a pom-pom. Where are you? I'm so scared. I'm crying.
Okay.
I'm actually crying.
Same. Oh my god.
I know. I cry when I laugh.
For this DIY, you'll need felt, tape, white paint pen, metallic yarn, and ribbon. First, cut out the base pieces. Attach all the pieces. Now make the horn by cutting out a green triangle and wrap it with pink felt. Attach ribbon for the strap. Now go to sleep, you beautiful stallions. You can make these at slumber parties too if like you're like bored. This is the
Can we
thumbnail.
take a picture?
Thumbnail.
Wait.
Wait, ready? 1, 2, 3. That's
Thumbnail.
that.
That's what you have to do every time you take a thumbnail.
You have to like look up and be like,
I watched Zoolander. I know how to model.
oh, Zoolander. And for our last tag, we have glow-in-the-dark cotton candy. Yay! Okay.
Can I?
It's
Oh, thank you.
they're a little like old because I made this like yesterday.
Listen, I get 2 of them.
You're the guest. You're right. But literally, I found these really cool. It's so cool.
I was not even showing them the cool side of it because I was looking at it. I'm not showing them very well. I'm just like, wow. Get
Strobe.
out of this town. This feels like the guitar solo of Phil Collins. I can feel it. Do you know that song?
No.
Cool.
For this DIY, you'll need cotton candy and a glow wand. First, make your cotton candy and wrap it around the wand. And next, we eat. Light it up and enjoy. If you want, you can make your own cotton candy, but to make it easier, just buy it at the store. So these literally look like the cloud lamps that I did.
It looks like a thunder cloud. I love it.
Oh, gosh, yeah.
It's very soothing. How fun would it be to be telling like a scary story? Have your cloud lamp situation, put one of these inside of the cloud lamp, put like sounds on thunder.
Sounds like thunder.
But
Put
like
these in the cloud lamps.
prank 'em.
Or just tell scary stories. Or prank
Oh,
them.
yeah.
Inside weather.
Gotcha. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys actually enjoyed these summer slumber hacks. Comment down below what your favorite was because I think mine was definitely these.
That's a really good one, but for sure.
Okay, first of all, you killed one of them.
This is a pity vote. I
Don't
killed their
hate me.
friend. And so now I have to say that they're my favorite.
And if you guys enjoyed these, make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more DIYs every week. And turn on the notification bell to be part of the early squad. Till next time, hackers, Unicorn
And Mad Emoji.
signing off.